Salut les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In the previous videos, we have done the vocabulary of the days of the week, the months of the year, the directions and the seasons, as well as the animals in French. Today we are going to do the vocabulary of the birds and insects in French. The pronunciation of this word and this word is oiseaux. Zo. This is pronounced as les oiseaux. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected to this O and the pronunciation will be zo. Les oiseaux. A. Here also the T over here is silent. It will get connected with this I and the pronunciation will be insect. Again, liaison rule. Zon. Les oiseaux et insectes zon français. This is the pronunciation. So the first bird is chicken. Le poulet. This is the pronunciation. Cuckoo is le cuckoo. Duck is le canuck. Dove is le colombe. Eagle is l'aigle. If we had not used the definite article over here, the pronunciation would have been aigle. We have done the definite and indefinite articles. I'm sharing the link over here. Kindly go and watch the video for understanding where we are using le, where we are using le. Le is used with the masculine singular noun. L apostrophe is used over here because of the vowel that has been used at the starting of this particular noun. So we have used L apostrophe. Hen in French is le poulet. Le poule. Pigeon is written in the same manner, however it is pronounced as pigeon. Peacock is le pont. Sparrow is le moineau. Woodpecker is le pic. Fly is le mouche. It is a masculine. It is a feminine singular noun. Le mouche. Butterfly is le papillon. Even though there are double L, the pronunciation is papillon. Le papillon. Ant is a feminine singular noun. Fourmi. The pronunciation is fourmi. Mosquito is a masculine singular noun. It is pronounced as moustique. Moustique. Bug is lansect. So these are the 15 birds and insects. The pronunciation, I'm repeating the pronunciations. Kindly repeat after me. Le poulet, le cuckoo, le canuck, le colombe, l'aigle. The pronunciation here is l'aigle and here aigle. Le poule, this is feminine singular. Le poule. Le pigeon, le pont, le moineau, le pic, here. This is also feminine singular, which is why I have used the definite article la. La mouche, le papillon, le fourmi, feminine singular. Le moustique, l'insecte. So these are the pronunciations. I'm sharing some sentences for making you understand how to use this vocabulary, and there may be inclusion of some of the new verbs. So let's do that exercise. So the first sentence is le canard nage dans l'eau. The verb that I've used over here is nager, which means to swim. Pronunciation is nager. The second sentence is l'aigle vole très haut. The verb in this sentence is voler, which means to fly. Pronunciation is voler. The eagle flies very high. The first one was the duck swims in the water or is swimming in the water. The third sentence is le moineau chante le matin. This means matin. This means morning. The verb over here is chanter, which means to sing. Pronunciation is chanter. Le moineau chante, le moineau chante le matin. This is the pronunciation. Chant means to sing. Chante. Mata means in the morning. The sparrow sings in the morning. Four sentences. La colombe blanche. The pronunciation is blanche, which means white. The dove is white. The fifth sentence is la mouche essuie la table. Table is table. Mouche is fly. La mouche essuie la table. Siuk is the pronunciation of this word. Siuk. It means, in the context of the sentence, siuk means on. The fly is on the table. La mouche essuie la table. The sixth sentence is le moustique pique la main. Here, the verb which I have used is piquer. All of these verbs are er ending. Nager, voler, chanter, piquer. We have done the conjugation of the er ending verbs. Kindly go and watch the video. I have shared the link over here. Piquer means to bite. The mosquito bites the hand. Ma is the pronunciation of this. This means hand. Seventh sentence. La fourmi travaille beaucoup. The ant works a lot. This is pronounced as beaucoup. This means a lot of or a lot. The eighth sentence is, this is the last sentence. Le poulet mange des graines. The verb over here is manger, which means to eat. Pronunciation is manger. The chicken eats the grains. Grain is the pronunciation, which means seeds. So these are the 8 sentences. I'll repeat the pronunciations once again. The first one is le canard nage dans l'eau. The second one is l'aigle vole très haut, très haut, because of the liaison rule. H is silent over here. So the pronunciation will be with this A. The pronunciation is l'aigle vole très haut. Third one, le moineau chante le matin. Fourth one, le colombe est blanche. Fifth, le mouche essuie la table. Sixth, le moustique pique la main. Seventh, la fourmi travaille beaucoup. Last one, le poulet mange des gras or grain. So this is all for today. Please use this vocabulary in the formation of your own sentences. Share it in the comment section. And if this video helped you, kindly like the video. Please share it with your friends and do subscribe to the channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for the future updates. I'll see you in the next lecture. A très bientôt.